Hi guys, Srikanth here and welcome to another episode on the Acacia City Let's Build. Um, um, uh, as you can see, I've been doing lots of work off camera. I'll show you first. So first, I'll build night vision. Okay, so first of all, I have built a bank. So yeah, I haven't finished it inside yet, but we'll get around to that soon. I've only done like one little office thing over here, then over here there's nothing. So yeah, we'll finish that later. And um, uh, if I go to this skyscraper that I built today, um, uh, I don't know what this is going to be, but I'll decide later properly. So yeah, and and I was going to do a curved road over here, but it's too hard, so I just left it. So it's just gonna be a straight road. So and I extended the river and the doing area, and yeah. So and I've added some lampposts as well. So yeah. Today we will be doing carrying on the inside of the bank. Done this, and over here is just gonna be like another office thing. So yeah. So let's do the table first. Here, here, there, there. What's happening? So the very top of the bank, I'm going to do the save all the money. And let's leave this for now. Let's do something else. So I'm probably going to extend the river or something. Actually, what shall we? I'll do the reception for this because it's going to be. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. So yeah, not sure exactly. So we'll just leave that and let's just get back with the bank. Okay, so and then signs option. we've done that, so let's do the floor now. Just spin this in. Yeah. And outside I'm going to do some cash points. I'm just try to do them. Um, let me start off with this first. Actually, no, I'm not that. I don't know which colour to do. Obsidian. Actually, no. Probably just black stone clay or something. But yeah, so let's item frame and what else to do? Let me try signs. I'm going to try doing like buttons and stuff. So how am I supposed to do this? One, two, actually, I'm not, what am I doing? So, I have no idea how to do this. Okay, let's just go with this idea. Let's just say that's the cash point. We're going to use our imagination. Let's do another one over here. Now, that looks kind of. I want to do this actually. I'm going to do this. It kind of looks like a thing. So I'm gonna do another one of them inside as well. So do it over here. There. So I'm just take night vision. Put this night vision. So now that I've done that, I need to do something else. Should I do some more cash points? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you I've done a parking lot as well. So over here. So yeah. No. Okay, so this is going to be the end of this short episode of the Kai City Let's Build. So please subscribe, like, and share, and see you guys later. Bye.